I used one simple prompt to create this full 5-minute AI animated video.
Look who finally showed up again.
Good morning, Tamara. I'm glad you're here. Who would like to read first?
The story begins with... The story?
You do not need complicated prompts to get these results. You do not need multiple AI tools to get them either. All you really need is a simple story idea. In fact, you do not need to write like a professional screenwriter or prompt engineer. Just explain your idea clearly and you get your results. This is exactly what I'm going to show you step by step. Do not skip any part of this tutorial because I have something special specifically for you that I created that will save you so much time and stress when creating these long AI animated videos. Now, to get started, we are going to come over to Anijam AI. Here, sign up to receive your free 500 credits and make sure you check in daily as well so you can continue receiving an extra 100 free credits every single day. Now, once you sign up, in the prompt box, this is where you need to insert a very detailed prompt about the story that you are creating. In my previous video, I explained clearly on what you must include in that prompt for you to get consistently amazing results for your project. To most of you, it was overwhelming. That's why I spent the last 2 days creating something that is going to make this whole process easier for you. You really don't have to stress yourself trying to come up with these super complicated prompts because I have created a custom GPT that helps generate these detailed cinematic prompts for you. So instead of you spending hours wondering, how do I structure the scenes? How do I keep the characters consistent? How do I make the story feel emotional, cinematic, and natural? The GPT basically helps you do all of that much faster. All you really need is a simple story idea, and it will help you turn that idea into a detailed prompt that's ready to use inside Anijam. And trust me, this saves so much time and removes a lot of stress, especially if you're just getting started with AI animation. You will find the link to this free custom GPT prompt in the video description below. Now, once you sign up and open the custom GPT, all you have to do is explain your story idea in a simplest way. You do not need to sound technical or complicated. Just type in your idea naturally. For example, I created some ideas that you can start with. For this example, I'm going to go with this idea, which is a kind old teacher changes the life of a student. As simple as that, I select it. And the AI is going to ask me, before I create the full cinematic animated story prompt, I need a few details about the characters. So it will ask us how many characters are in this story. For each character, tell me the age. So we give it the name, we give it the age, and the roles. We can include the ethnicity, but this one is very optional. It all depends with what you want to create. So I tell it that it has 3 characters. The first one is Tamara, 12-year-old, and this one is a pupil. Then there is Anita, who is the teacher, 35-year-old, and a supporting character. I hit enter. So it asked me for the details about this supporting character, which I inserted. This is a 10-year-old James, who is a bully. Hit create. Now it is going to generate a full, detailed, well-structured prompt that we are going to use in Anijam to create a full AI animated story. This is a super long, detailed prompt for our story. Now, if you think this GPT is going to be of help to you, just smash the like button. I would really appreciate. All we have to do is copy this entire prompt, come back to Anijam and paste it in the prompt box. Now, if you've got those characters, you can simply add them here. I'll leave everything as is and I'll hit create. Now, it's going to open in Canvas where we need to follow the easy steps that it gives us for us to create the full video from start to finish, starting with the story outline. Now, here we need to select how we are going to create our video with AI Director mode, with workflow mode, with Oscar mode. And down here, we need to select a model that we are going to create our video in. Now, they've just added 2.7, which is highly recommended together with Sedans 2.0. Now, select a model depending with the type of a video you are creating. Some models are very good with fast motions like Sedans 2.0, and some models are very good when it comes to handling emotions and other expressions like Clean 3.0. Take your time and choose a model depending with exactly what you are creating. Not only that, but other models are quite expensive and they consume a lot of credits. I just thought of pointing that one out. I'll select the Oscar mode and I'll leave the model to Sedans 2 and hit confirm. From here, we need to choose the audience, which I'll leave to all ages, the platform, which I'll leave to YouTube, and the aspect ratio, which I'll leave to 16:9. Now, on the duration here, the highest duration we can go currently is 5 minutes. So I'll leave it to 5 minutes and I'll hit confirm. After that, we need to choose our desired style for the video we are creating. Select Style Library. Just select any style that you prefer. And select Concept Design, where it will move all the characters we give it and all the environments to life visually. And when it's done, all we have to do is click Generate for it to visually generate all the concepts for us. And when all our elements are generated, all we have to do is click Continue for all the static images that have been generated to be converted into videos with dialogues, emotions, and everything. After that, we need to decide either we want the AI to generate all the video clips for the entire story at once in batches, or we would love to generate them step by step. Now, here is the difference between these two and how they work. They are simple and straightforward as they sound. The generate all at once lets the AI build your animation from start to finish with no pauses, meaning you get instant results of a complete finished video. This is very good for speed, or you are in a hurry or want quick, fast results. For the step-by-steps, normally the AI stops at each stage after creating a portion of your video. This allows you or gives you the opportunity to see how your video is being generated, and you can easily fix things at each step before moving forward using this prompt box. And this is best if you want control over your animation and you want your animation to look exactly like you planned it. For this tutorial, we will select Generate step by step. Once all our videos have been generated, all we have to do is to click on Add Media to Timeline for us to see how they're well arranged. Once all the medias are set in the timeline, we can review how each one looks and how everything plays out. From here, come to the Export button here and save the video in your PC. From there, I highly recommend you upload it in an editing tool where you can easily adjust your video and add more background music, more effects, more caption, transitions, and other relevant elements that makes your video more cinematic. Once everything is set, this is exactly how it all looks. Do you want to try out Anijam for yourself? Check out the link in the description below. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. From here, God bless you. Let me see you in this next video where you can create amazing AI movies.
Look who finally showed up again.
Good morning, Tamara. I'm glad you're here. Who would like to read first?
The story begins with... The story?
You know, when I was your age, I used to hide during lunch breaks.
Really?
People gave up on me too, but one teacher didn't.
It's nothing.
No, Tamara, this is talent.
Look, everyone! She draws sad little pictures all day. Give it back, please!
This is talent. Why are you hurting her, James?
Because people laugh at me at home.